sound. It surrounds us. From the tunes that uplift us to the movies that captivate us. Today, we unveil a new, redefined way you can express your individuality. The loud and bright. The grand and sleek. What defines sound is how it consumes you. With 10mm powerful bass drivers, the Mi Neckband Bluetooth Earphones Pro lets you lose yourself in every note. The 16-watt high-quality dual speakers on the Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker promises sound you not only hear but feel. 20-hour battery life makes sure you never have to escape your sound. Designed keeping in mind your on-the-go lifestyle, the speakers have 13 hours of battery life. Never experience a lag for your gaming rush with low latency audio. The crystal clear sound and built-in mic allows you to receive and dial anyone on the go.
Hello.
While you're in the groove, we made sure nothing can rain on your parade. The Mi Neckband Bluetooth Earphones Pro comes with IPX5, which is splash and sweat-proof. While the Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker is waterproof with IPX7. An anti-blockage speaker net is crafted to block out small particles from entering your earphone. Equipped with dual EQ modes, you can switch between normal mode for a cinematic experience or deep bass mode for when you want the party to be lit. One click is all it takes to cut yourself out from the noise and hear the music that makes you move with dual noise cancellation. If you thought that was all, you can pair two Mi Portable Bluetooth speakers to get a surround sound experience. Pushing the boundaries each time, this time too, we created a premium audio experience for you. The Mi Portable Bluetooth speakers cost $2,499. And the Mi Neckband Bluetooth Earphones Pro is for $1,799.